So a client comes in, decides they're ready to file bankruptcy. We give them paperwork to start filling out with their creditor information, and they say they have no idea who their creditors are. What are their options at that point? Well, there's several things you can do. First, you can pull your credit report. There are some websites out there that will give you a free credit report, or you can have your attorney run your credit report for you. Just be aware that there usually is a fee involved in that. Other thing you can do is start holding on to the bills and letters and things that you're getting in the mail from creditors. Those will give you a lot of the information that we will need. Again, you can also get information from phone calls. If collection agencies or the original creditors are calling you, ask for their name and their address, and the amount that you owe them, and start holding on to that information. It will be helpful in filling out the paperwork that will be required for the bankruptcy. So let's say creditors are calling. What information do you need to get from them? You need to know the name of the creditor, their full address, including their city, state, and zip code, an estimate of the amount that is owed. You need to know the date that the debt was incurred, and the consideration. The consideration is, what was the debt for? Was it a medical bill? Was it a payday loan, a credit card? Those types of things. Start gathering that information now, and that will be helpful for you in filling out the paperwork for your bankruptcy attorney. Do you need to know the original creditor and all of the collection agencies? You want to do the best that you can. Obviously, a lot of times the loans are sold to several different collection agencies, so you may not know who holds the loan at this point. You just want to do the best that you can. If you know who the original creditor is, go ahead and list them. If you know the current collection agency or the collection agency that you knew that it was at previously, go ahead and list those. If they get notice of the bankruptcy, the debt's going to go away, and that's what's important. What if you find more creditors after your case is filed? Do you have to pay those creditors back? No, you do not. As long as your bankruptcy case is still open, you can always add creditors. There usually is a fee involved in that, so you really do want to do the best you can prior to filing and getting all those creditors added. But as long as your case is open and you've not received a discharge yet, you can still add creditors.